First, we need to define what is proper soil management. Proper soil management is essential for maintaining soil health and fertility, which is turn support sustainable agriculture, healthy ecosystem, and food security. Effective soil management practice aim to optimize soil condition, reduce degradation, and improve its productivity over time. Ang proper soil management na po ay pangangalaga sa kalusugan ng lupa para maging maganda ang productive ng agrikultura. May mga way para mapangalagaan ang lupa tulad ng paggamit ng organic fertilizer, pag-iwas sa mga kemikal. The first importance of proper soil management is enhanced soil fertility. Uh, Proper management keep the soil pantry full of nutrients. By using technique daw po like crop rotation and using natural fertilizer. Crop rotation po yung mapalit-palit po ng tanim, hindi yung sa isang buong taon, isang taniman lang hanggang sa susunod na taon. Farmers ensure the plant always have essential minerals they need to grow strong and healthy. Number two is prevent soil erosion. This is about acting an anchor to keep the dirt from moving. Practice like planting cover crops, or contour farming create a protective layer that stop winds and rain from washing away the valuable topsoil where all nutrients live. Number three is improve soil structure. Good management keep the soil crumbly and soft rather than packed tight like concrete. This open structure create tiny tunnels that allow roots to grow deep and let fresh air reach the organism living underground. Next po is support water management. Uh, ang healthy soil ay nag-act daw po like a giant natural sponge because it is porous. It can soak up heavy rain to prevent flooding and store the moisture deep down so the crops can survive through long dry spells. Number 5 is promote biodiversity. Ang soil daw po is a living city filled with earthworms, fungi, and bacteria. Proper care ensure these tiny workers have a safe home so they can continue breaking down organic matter and recycling it into food for plants. Number 6 is increase agricultural productivity. Kapag daw po ang lupa ay well-cared, it produce more food. High-quality soil leads to bigger harvests and better tasting produce, which help feed more people and make farming more successful. 7 is reduce dependence on chemical inputs. Ang naturally healthy soil daw po has its own built immune system. This reduces the need for expensive chemical spray and artificial fertilizer, which save the farmer money and keep the environment much cleaner. Number 8 is mitigate climate change. Ang soil daw po ay nag-act bilang isang malaking storage tank for carbon. By keeping the ground covered and healthy, we can trap harmful greenhouse gases underground instead of letting them escape into the air and warm the planet. Number 9, protects water quality. Ang healthy soil daw po ay nag-act as natural filter for the earth. It prevents fertilizer and chemical from washing off the field into local river, which keep our drinking water clean and protect fish and wildlife. Last po ay ang prevent soil degradation. This is about long-term survival for the land. It prevents the soil from becoming dead, salty, or useless, ensuring that the farm remain productive and healthy for all children and grandchildren to use. And that's it. That's all the importance of proper soil management. Thank you po.